Do you want to learn English? Subscribe to ESL Classes. I really appreciate it. Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet. What do you think? How does that sound? That sounds great. I am learning English. I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Could you please talk slower? Thank you, that helps a lot. What does it mean? How do you spell that? Hi, I am Raj. And you? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do? Do you have Facebook account? What's your phone number? How can I help you? I will be with you in a moment. What time is our meeting? Please call me back at 5. Oh, really? Actually, I thought I am just about to go.